Hello students, in this video we will discuss about implicit function. Implicit function. Implicit function. That means we want to find the differentiation of implicit function. Till now we have learned the differentiation of functions y equal to f of x, y equal to f of x, but there is not necessary every function or always this type function expressed in this form y equal to f of x. Now for better understanding of the implicit function, we take two type of functions. First is y minus x minus pi equal to 0, and second type of function is y minus sine of xy minus x equal to 0. There are two type of functions. First we think about first, means since y minus x minus pi equal to 0, we can solve this relation for y equal to x plus pi. This is very simple. To convert the first type of function y equal to x plus y, that means we can find the value of y in terms of x. But from 2 y minus sine of xy minus x equal to 0, this is not so simple that we can find the value of y in the term of x. Now here we should understand this type of function, that means those functions can solve the we can find the value of y in term of x is known as explicit function. Explicit function, that means this function is known as explicit function, and those functions we can't solve y in terms of x is known as implicit function. Implicit function. Till now we have studied to find the derivative of only split function. Today we will discuss about finding the derivative of implicit function. Now first type of case, that means this is the first case, y equal to x plus pi. As you know that differentiating with respect to x, therefore dy upon dx equal to dy dx of x plus dy dx of pi. As you know that dy dx of x is 1 and pi as a constant, so dy dx of pi, that means constant is 0. Therefore dy upon dx equal to 1. This type of function is known as a derivative of explicit function, and this is so simple. But when we take, that means in second case, if we take y minus sine of xy minus x equal to 0. Now in this case we can't solve y for the x variable, so we should try to find the derivative in the same, that means in the original form. Therefore differentiating with respect to x on both sides, therefore this will be dy dx of y minus sine of xy minus x equal to dy dx of 0, means this will be 0. Now here dy d by dx of y, that means dy upon dx, minus d by dx of sine of xy minus d by dx of x equal to 0. Now this will be dy upon dx minus d by dx of sine of xy. That means we try to find the derivative of sine xy with respect to x. In previous videos already we have discussed about chain rule. So for the finding derivative of sine of xy by the chain rule, what is the chain rule? In the first equation we should be suppose xy as x, that means d by dx of sine x. d by dx of sine x means cos of y, so this will be cos of x, but here on the place of x this is given that xy, so we should be write sine d by dx of sine xy, that means cos of xy into, again we should be differentiate only xy with respect to x, means d by dx of x into y minus d by dx of x means 1 equal to 0. Now dy upon dx minus cos of xy into d by dx of xy, this is the implicit function, so we should be apply the product rule, that means first function x into d by dx of y, this will be dy upon dx, plus second function y into d by dx of x, which is equal to 1, that means dy by dx of x equal to, transfer 1 on the right side, so this will be 1. Now dy upon dx minus multiply this x into cos of xy into dy upon dx, again plus minus into plus, this will be minus y into cos of y, cos of xy into d by dx of x means 1 equal to 1. Now taking dy upon dx as a constant, so this will be dy upon dx into here 1 minus here x cos of xy equal to, transfer this on the right side, so this will be 1 plus y into cos of xy. Therefore we can find from here dy upon dx equal to 1 plus y into cos of xy whole upon 1 minus x into cos of xy. This will be answer. Now I hope that you have understand. This is the implicit function and this is the derivative of this function with the help of implicit function. Now in the next video we will take another type of questions related to implicit function.